Good evening, friends. I am Dr. Kanchan Javariwal, working in Scope Hospital. I am covering the topic managing your own health. I am focusing on some points to manage your health. Like first is vitamin D. As summer, opportunity to get sufficient sunlight to obtain the requisite amount of vitamin D. Sadly, despite of this, India being a tropical country, most Indians shown a recent study done by a team are deficient in vitamin D, are having less than 20 nano per ml, while the recommended dietary allowance for vitamin D is 400 to 800 IU, is arguably very low for Indians who probably needs between 2000 to 4000 units of vitamin D a day to maintain normal blood level of vitamin D. As the source of vitamin D is sunlight, all we know, the deficiency of vitamin D is due to number one, we are not eating sufficient amount of right food in adequate amount. Second, processing of food is also reduce its micronutrient content. Next, sometimes overcooking practices, and last, we are living in air conditioned room and in home, so we don't get sufficient amount of vitamin D. Next, our dark skin as melanin and the clothes we wear we make it difficult our skin to get enough vitamin D from the sun. A micronutrient is required in a small quantity, yet we Indians are deficient in micronutrients, which can lead to macro consequences as micronutrients are cofactor for the efficient catalytic action of many enzymes in our body, and they enables us to optimally use our macronutrient as well. जैसे हमें ये माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट को फैक्टर की तरह काम करता है एंजाइम के साथ, जो कि हमारे मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट के यूज कराने में हेल्पफुल है. सो वी नीड विटामिन डी फॉर एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ अदर मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट. एज सनलाइट सोर्स, still we are not go out for walk between 10 to 3 am. Best time for optimal sunlight of particular wavelength UVB 290 to 320 mm to reach our skin. Next, some of us apply sunscreen lotion for skin protection, so that also impairs production of adequate of vitamin D precursor in the skin. So we all in this COVID time we are staying at home. During the lockdown time we are staying at home as far as possible. So in this condition there's possibility of being deficient in vitamin D. Hence it may be worthwhile to consult your doctor or dietitian to test your vitamin D level, and if there is deficiency we must supplement our diet with vitamin D to meet body needs. Next, my focus is on boosting immunity. Through these points we can boost our immunity, like healthy living involves eating nutritious food, practicing hygienic habits, walking and exercising regularly, maintaining good emotional and mental health, and having adequate sleep. I am focusing on this next topic, gut microbiome. A healthy body has a healthy gut. The microbes living in our gut, collectively known as microbiome, plays an important role in the body's response to infectious pathogens like coronavirus. It is thus important to make a healthy gut helps to prevent impaired digestion that can damage the vital organs like lung, causing respiratory failure. This is the reason we should think of supporting rather than boosting our immunity. This time we should support our immunity through the healthy food, through the healthy habit, through the nutritious food, through meditation and other points. Next, as we know, immune cells, inflammation, we should prevent food which reduce our inflammation, which reduce the inflammation. Next, homemade food. Homemade food, as all we know, are through the generation we are getting it and providing the sustaining all that essential for us to strengthen our immunity. Thus, this is found to have most desirable and positive impact on gut microbes. Next, we should take antioxidants and minerals to improve immunity like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin 9, vitamin 12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. And Induja is also covering the topic vitamin D on vitamins. So I am not elaborating this. Now I am coming to minerals. Minerals, zinc is very much important in this time. It helps in improving the immunity. And iron, selenium are also required. Next, their quantity we need in recommended dietary allowances. Next, I am covering the topic having positive mind. As a physical health and mental health is also as well as important as the physical health. So we should be mentally be positive and think good. जब हमारा पॉजिटिव माइंड होता है तो हमारी इम्यूनिटी ऑलरेडी इंप्रूव करती है. जब हम खाना खाते हैं, हम खुश होकर खाते हैं तो वो खाना लगता है. दुखी होकर खाना या स्ट्रेस में खाना जस्ट वो इतना प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं कर पाता है. इसका भी रीज़न है साइंटिफिक, लेकिन अभी इस समय मैं ज़्यादा नहीं खींचूंगी. अभी पॉजिटिव माइंड पे देखेंगे हम. और पॉजिटिव माइंड हम कैसे रख सकते हैं, ये हमारे वे है, पॉजिटिव वे है थ्रू मेडिटेशन, योगा, ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस, लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक एंड डेवलपिंग हॉबीज, जो कि हमारे हेक्टिक शेड्यूल की वजह से नहीं हम कर पा रहे सकते. दिस टाइम वी कैन इन्वॉल्व इन गुड हॉबीज. ओम चैंटिंग इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इससे आपकी पूरी बॉडी में पॉजिटिविटी आती है. इसको शांत होकर जब हम बाहर के एटमॉस्फेयर से हट के अंदर की तरफ सोचते हैं तो हमें अलग ही एनर्जी मिलती है, जो कि बहुत पॉजिटिव एनर्जी है. तो वी शुड प्रैक्टिस डेली फॉर द चैंटिंग, आर योगा, आर मेडिटेशन. माइंड के लिए हम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी भी हमारी पॉजिटिव माइंड को इम्प्रूव करती है. जैसे हम फिजिकल एक्टिविटी के थ्रू हम बॉडी स्ट्रेस को दूर कर सकते हैं, इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ा सकते हैं, इम्प्रूव डाइजेशन हो सकता है, और इससे हम वी कैन रिड्यूस द क्रॉनिक डिजीजेज जो हमारी इम्यूनिटी को कम कर रहे हैं. कंजर्व अवर एसेंशियल एक्टिविटीज़, जो कि एनर्जी हम एसेंशियल एक्टिविटी के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं अगर हम फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तो, और पॉजिटिव माइंड रखते हैं तो हमारी एनर्जी वेस्टेड चीज़ों में नहीं जाएगी. वी कैन कंजर्व एनर्जी फॉर अ गुड थिंग. Ensure having consistent sleep, scheduled sleep, and the fixed time. Sleeping time should be regular. And next, helps to manage our mood. This also helps to manage our mood and appetite and facilitate to improve our immunity. So 8 hours sleep is essential. Deprivation of sleep can cause weakness to our body. Next, meditation. It's also helpful in taking good sleep. Next is food safety. Sharing food by eating out of same plate and sipping out of the same cup is undesirable and dangerous to this time. We should, and other practices we should do is separate the raw food from cooked food to avoid contamination. Next, cook and meat thoroughly. Next, while reheating cooked food, double check it is fresh, are suitable for consuming. Next, rinse the chopped board, knives, utensils while cutting raw meat, chicken and fish. Nutrition tip: include adequate amount of protein to maintain muscle mass by taking soya chunks, tofu, soya milk, sprouts, nuts, eggs, meats. Next, switch to low fat milk, curd and buttermilk. Next, positively include 4 to 5 servings of vitamins and minerals while taking rich fruits and vegetables. Snack or low calorie nutritious food like salad, sprouts and roasted chana include in your diet. Next, drinking adequate amount of water to keep your body hydrated all the time. Avoid Tetra Pak juice, fruit juice, sugary carbonated drinks. Avoid consuming pre and post workout drinks. Avoid deep fried food. Do regular routine floor exercise, walking inside home or the terrace and skipping. Keep yourself active throughout the day. Learn to do household chores. Thanks for listening to me.